you all doing? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be giving you another part of my life, but before I do so, don't forget to do the do's by following me on Instagram at charms_lifestyle, my business page at Golden Charm Beauty Palace, and my daughter's business page at Deidre's Fashion District. Now, guys, remember, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. Don't forget to hit that post notification bell after subscribing. Okay, guys, so let's get in our video now. Today, guys, this is what we will be talking about. This is what we will be talking about. I finally got it. Yes, guys, I finally got it. This was bringing stress to my life, if you understand. So I know most of you will not understand until I make it known to you what happened. So here is how the story goes. I got monetized in June. A PIN code was sent out to me on the 1st of August. I did not receive that PIN code. I requested a second one in the ending of September to October. I still did not receive. And for some reason, I went to check my information in December, like about on the 28th of December, because I'm wondering, why haven't I received my PIN after reapplying a second time? I spoke with many people to get second opinions, and then I decided that I will go further and check my information. Yes, my address was okay, but guess what, guys? When I went to check my name, oh my God, my name was not there. You know what was there? Charms Lifestyle was there. That's not my name. No, that's not my name. So I changed it to my name. So obviously what happened was, after the postman came with the mail for 2 times, my name was not on the mailbox. So they went back with it, but I finally got it, and I'm glad that I did. And guys, do you want to hear the saddest part of the story? On the 1st of December, my channel got demonetized. Yes, and that is the reason why you don't see me doing live streaming. Yes, guys, my channel got demonetized just because I did not receive my AdSense PIN code on time. Please do not make that mistake, guys. Now, guys, do you know why I do this video? I do this video because I don't want persons to make the same mistake I made. So guys, if you watch this video and you have not yet monetized, where your personal information should be, don't put your channel's name, put your name that you will receive your mail in, because that was the mistake I made. Yes, so I hope this video will help someone along their YouTube journey. So guys, I think I've come to the end of this video. Now tell me what you think about this video by leaving me a comment in the comment section below. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, okay? Please don't lose out on anything about Charm's lifestyle. So until then, I will see you in my next video, and thank you so much for watching.